Forex trading London session. 2.25% profit in a relatively short period of time. Let's get straight over to the charts, and if you'd like to find out more about the way that we trade at the Price Action Traders Institute, take a look in the description area below this video and you'll find all the links you need in there. Okay, let's get over to the charts. Okay, just a quick run through these trades that I've taken early this morning. First trade I took at 6:46 when I started setting up, getting ready for the live London trade planning webinar. The Euro Japanese Yen took this long. I got in this at 0.2 as it came through an entry point. Looking for this further upside movement through that 20 level and maybe up towards this 50 level, but we'll see how it plays out. US dollar Japanese Yen took this one long at 42. This was the first trade that I took. Again, taking this long, looking for it to come back up. It's pulling back at the moment, looking for it to come back up through that 50 level, up towards the 80. And the third trade is the Canadian dollar Japanese Yen. Just taken this, only just got in this. Again, looking for that further upside movement. Took this at 53. So that's the three trades that I'm in at the moment. Okay, what I'll do, I'll pause the video for now. I'm setting up, getting ready for the live London trade planning webinar at 7:30. The time is now 7:19 in the morning here in London. So I'll be back soon. I'll give you an update, let you know how these three trades are going. Okay, back soon. Okay, back with an update. The London trade planning session has just finished, and I'm flicking through these charts just to show you where we are with those trades that I took before I did the live trade plan. The Euro Japanese Yen, you can see that price pulled back quite deep here, but since then it's pulled back up again and now it's showing a little bit of profit. The Australian dollar Japanese Yen, I had a pending order on this and that trade was hit. In fact, let's just pull my take profit up. What I'm doing with these take profits, I'm going to be setting them at 2 to 1. So I've got a 12 pip stop on this Australian dollar Japanese Yen. I'm setting my take profit at 24 pips as I'm limited for time today. So Australian dollar Japanese Yen, got in this one at 87, looking for that further upside movement through that through that 0.0 up to my take profit at 24 pips. The US dollar Japanese Yen, one that I took before the trade plan. Again, you can see we had this pullback here, but price is now moving back into profit. Got into this at 42. And the fourth pair that I'm in is the Canadian dollar Japanese Yen. Again, a little pullback there, bounced off of that previous day's high. And now you can see that price is back in profit again. Looking for this to move up to my take profit, which is at 24 pips. It's just below that 80 level. Okay, I'll pause the video for now. I need to grab a coffee. My throat's dry after that London trade plan. If you need to know more about the London trade plan, how you can get involved in that, just below this video, go to the description box and you'll see a link there where you can find out all the details. Okay, I'll pause the video for now and I'll be back soon. Okay, back again. I've just taken one more trade, the US dollar, Canadian dollar, taking this short as it's come through an entry point. Got 6 minutes, just over 6 minutes left on this candle. I need to see this price move out of an area here to stay with this trade. If it doesn't, I'll have to punch out of it. So for now, hanging on to this trade, and like I say, looking for it to move out of this area. And again, I've put my take profit down at 20 pips, giving me a 20 pip profit. Sticking with these 2 to 1 risk to reward ratios this morning as I'm limited for time. Okay, I'll pause again and I'll be back in a little while when the new candle opens to see how this one does. Okay, back again, new candle opened and we can see these trades are starting to show a bit more profit now. There's nothing to do. In fact, what I'm going to do right now on this Euro Japanese Yen, I'm going to lock in break even on this, just a couple of pips to cover costs, just in case that spins around. And still looking for that price to continue this upside move through that 20 to my take profit, which is up at 20 pips. The Australian dollar Japanese Yen, again, seeing this creeping up nice and steady, nothing erratic, nothing too volatile. It's a nice stair-stepping move to the upside on this. Getting close to that 0.0. Might see a little bounce off of that, but we'll see what it does. Nothing to do on this right now. Not enough pips in there to lock anything in just yet. The US dollar Japanese Yen, you can see that showing a little bit of profit. Still not really any fantastic moves right now. Looking for this Japanese Yen weakness to kick in again that we've seen throughout the Asian session. And push it through that 50 level up to that 20 pip take profit that I've got. The US dollar Canadian dollar, saw this break out of an area just now and price held outside of that area and moving down, so need to see it push down through that previous day's low, through that 50 and to the 20 pip take profit that I've got. And the last pair that I'm holding, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, seeing this moving up quite nicely and looking for this to move up towards this take profit, which I've got set at 24 pips, 2-1 risk to reward. Okay, so that's 5 trades I'm holding right now, all looking pretty good right now, but as we know, that can spin around within the blink of an eye. So I'll pause for now and I'll keep an eye on these, be back soon to give you an update, let you know how they're doing. Okay, back with an update and out of time. So these trades that I've got running here, I'm going to have to manually punch out of these, which is a bit of a shame. Starting to see that euro strength kicking in again. So let me just close out of these trades. The Australian dollar, Japanese yen, how was that one doing? That's gone through that 0-0 as well. That's moving quite nicely. So I'm going to have quite a nice profit showing this morning, considering the time that I've been trading. US dollar, Japanese yen, that's moving back into profit. Okay, I'll be back a little later just to give you the numbers, let you know how I did this morning. The 2 reasons that I punched out of those trades when I did: 1, I was limited for time today, as I am so much of the time at the moment. 2 is the other thing, in the back of my mind all the time, I'm thinking about the way that the markets have been just recently. Very, very tight ranges, very tight moves, and we're not seeing a massive amount of follow through overall at the moment. So seeing a reasonable profit, being limited for time, that was good enough for me to get out. So let's quickly run through these. You can see the Euro Japanese yen, I took 12 pips. Australian dollar Japanese yen, I took 8. US dollar Japanese yen, 4 pips. US dollar Canadian dollar, 6 pips. And the Canadian dollar Japanese yen, 12 pips. Give me a total of 42 pips, and that works out to 2.25% profit on my capital. I'll put a link up here that will take you to some more videos showing you some short sessions with good profit. I'll shut this down now and I'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.